What is up, everybody, and welcome to the channel. We are here in an undisclosed location in Northeast PA. We're going to test our luck a little bit here at trout fishing, but there's something new that I picked up at Walmart, and I want to share that with you, and we're going to see if it actually works or not. And let me show you what it is. This is the Berkley Powerbait Trout Attractant. I found this up at Walmart. Figure I'd give it a shot and see what helps, if it helps at all. Well, we're going to do a little review on this, see what it's like and whatnot. So let me get out there in the creek, get things set up, and we'll do a little bit of fishing. All right, everybody, we made it back out to the creek, and here we are going to test our luck at the Berkley Powerbait Trout Attractant. I picked this up at Walmart. It was only a couple, like $5, but we're going to give it a shot and see what it's like, see if it actually makes a difference or not. Hooked up with a friend up here. He's been fishing up here. He had a couple hits, but they seem to quiet down. But we're just going to shake this up some. And all this says is to put some of this on your lure or your bait to give it a little bit extra more attractant for trout. So we're going to actually put this on corn and see if this works. But if you're new to the channel, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Don't forget to ring that notification bell so you guys can stay posted when I do some more videos. So all I'm going to do is, I already pre-made a little jar of corn here. And being that I'm out in the creek and I only have 2 hands, I use this little jar. I got some corn in there. And what I'm going to do is squeeze some of this Powerbait formula over the corn. And see if this actually makes a difference. See what it looks like. Huh. It's like a brown colored gel. So I guess that's how it sticks to your bait. We're gonna try it on corn though, and I'm just gonna shake this up a little bit. Get a couple kernels here, put them on there, and give it a shot. I guess if you like to, you could just dip any type of lure inside the little bottle, or put some on the lure, squeeze some on. And it actually smells like the Berkley Powerbait. So let me untangle my line here and just give a little cast here and see what happens. I did have a hit, so we'll see what happens here. Up above us, we have a couple other fishermen. So why don't we yell up to them and see how they're making out? How you guys making out up there? How you guys making out up there? I guess they don't want to answer. Yo! Oh, there! Look at that! They got some on there. All right, well, guys, we're hoping maybe to fill our stringer up and give this a shot.
Here we go.
Got a nice one here. Let me get him off the hook. Whoa, easy guy, easy guy. Oh, he spit the hook. Oh, that was a nice catch. So I have to say this power bait might be doing the trick. This trout attractant. Good? Yeah, I'm good. Watch, you're snagged up on your stringer. We just tweak the locations a little bit. Change our angle of attack. Okay, all right. Here you go, live action. Wow. Oh, spit the hook and almost put it in my hand. All right, guys. So I would have to say that this Berkley Powerbait stuff, here, let me pull it out one more time, show you guys what it looks like. I would have to say this Berkley Powerbait stuff is like a hit and miss on it. Maybe it's the time of the day or on the fish and what they're hitting on. But you know what? I think it's worth trying because something is better than nothing. And like I said before, it's just all about getting out here, having a good time with family and friends, and enjoying the great outdoors. Well, guys, I hope this video helps you guys out if you want to try some of this Berkley Powerbait. Well, till next time, I'm Joe, driving trucks and hunting bucks is how I roll with Wicked Fabz.